So I saw this plexiglass plate online that was designed specifically for this computer case, the Lian Dynamic XL ROG case. And when I saw it, I thought that would make a really cool build. And what the plate is, at the bottom there's a pump, and it pumps the fluid up and through this tube and then over to the computer chip. And there's a block on the motherboard there that allows the water to cool the computer chip down, and then it flows back over and back into the reservoir here, and that takes it up and over to this pipe, which brings it down to a radiator in the base of the case. You can see the fans there cooling that radiator, and then it comes out of the radiator and goes up and back into the plate in the back. And so the plate acts as a reservoir and a pump for the cooling system in the computer, as well as looking really awesome inside this new case. This is glass on the sides here, and some of the components I reused. You'll see two GeForce 970 GTX video cards here, linked in SLI, so they share the workload when gaming. They take quite a bit of power, as you can see all the power cables feeding both of those there. And we've got some 32 gigabytes of memory, two 16 gigabyte sticks to take advantage of the dual channel CPU controller. And then down here we see where that says Z390 Aorus Master. Behind there you can put an M3 drive. There's three positions for that, one back in there, and the third one's hidden by this video card here, but there's a third one underneath. And then we've got intake fans up top, bringing cool air into the unit, and that cool air is forced down through the system and then pushed out through the radiator. And so there it is. That's my new computer build. Thanks for watching.